400-meter drag event at Extreme Raceway. The large turnout of cars over here, different varieties. Subarus, we've got Audis, we've got Renaults. I'm riding a Renault Megane RS 275. The conditions are right and it makes for a great day of racing. 400 meters only drag event in the entire series. I think it's the second or the third year running that we've had it at Extreme Raceway, and every time has been excellent. The guys at Extreme Raceway really look after the competitors very well, and it's a very safe environment. The guys are really passionate about what they do and what they enjoy, and that is fantastic.